Yo, what's up, y'all? C-Cent Tech, and finally, guys, it got here. Now, you guys didn't know, obviously, that I was getting this, but, well, I got the Samsung Bio Design wireless speaker here, and I actually wanted this for a while now, but I just finally decided to get it, and FedEx took forever to get here. Like, it was like a whole 2 years. My God, that's obviously exaggerating, but whatever. But yeah, so we're gonna check this out real quick. And by the way, yes, I'm at the unboxing table already. I know this is where I'm gonna be for a little bit because I broke my tripod that actually gets higher, you know, to the point where I can actually record on the pool table. So this is it for now. Excuse my ashy hands or whatever, but let's go and look around this real quick. So Samsung got the speaker right there, and it says wireless speaker Bio Design. It looks way bigger than I thought. And it says Samsung wireless speaker, 60 million LED colors, motion control, 360 surround sound, and wireless charging. So that's why I got this, if you were wondering. And it says in the box we got the speaker, the charging cable, and a quick start guide. And over here it's just how we turn it on and off and all that, and the Bluetooth, blah blah blah. Let's just get into this, man. But I got the unboxing knife today because we're gonna need that. You know, let's go ahead and just get into this real quick. Bow. All right, that's cool. Where's the other one? There we go. Bow. Nope, can't do it. Let's do the Flossie Carter. Let's do it. Rah. Okay, did we get it? Rah. Rah. There we go. All right, let's get into this now. All right, so open this up real quick. Man, this look clean. Wow. Okay, nice unboxing there, Samsung. A nice speaker. Why is the house phone always ringing when every time I do a video? I hate people. People really don't want me doing these videos, but whatever. Anyways, let's get back to the video here. My God. Anyways, yeah, let's just get into this. So we have here the accessories. Says Bio Design wireless speaker. All right, let's see what's in here. I assume just a charger and the manual. I mean, that's what it said was in here, so I expect it to be in here. So let's see. So in this little compartment right here, we got the charger. There we go, and it is micro USB. So this came out in like 2016 or something like that, so I didn't really expect it to be USB Type-C, but whatever. And we got the speaker here. Man, it is looking clean, guys. Man, I like the design on here like a lot. So let's go and take that off there. It says QI or whatever it's called. Qi wireless charging, got the Samsung logo and everything right there, the model number. Pretty cool. And this speaker right here is actually bigger than I thought. Let me go ahead and get the Amazon Tap real quick. All right, this is the Amazon Tap right here. So let's put these side by side. I guess it's like the same. Yeah, it's pretty much the same height, except you got this, obviously. So it does look like a bottle. That's, I guess, you know, yeah, that's pretty cool. That does look like a bottle. But it looks really clean. Like, I really like how it looks. So we got to turn this on real quick. I already got the app downloaded. So to turn it on and off, I think you just hold on to this. So let's go ahead and see real quick. Press and hold on to this. And something? Nothing? Okay. Let's try that again. I think it might be dead, though. It's looking like it's dead. Let me get my portable charger. All right, got the portable charger right here. Samsung usual stuff. So let's go ahead and plug that in. And then do we get a little charger indicator? Oh, yep, there you go. I think we need to let that charge up just a little bit. So I'll be back. But you know what? Before we actually do that, let's try wireless charging since it is this. So let me go ahead and just put that on there. And do we get something? No? Yes? We're not getting anything. Oh wait, there we go. Wow, guys. Okay, we got a wireless charging speaker here. Man, that is cool. I never had a speaker with a feature like that, or not a lot of things have wireless charging, so that's pretty cool. You just put it on there, it just starts charging. I mean, I guess you gotta give it a minute, but it'll just start charging. Alright, y'all, so I'm back. So it's about nighttime now or something like that. I've been playing around for a little bit with this, and to be honest with you, I'm not really impressed with the sound quality that much. But I can't rock it that much either, you know? This is not me being the Samsung Knight or anything. This is just like how I feel like it. I think it is like what I think is going on here, but I'm not really sure. So this is the Amazon Tap. And the battery's in here, obviously, but I think it's somewhere in the bottom here, like just around these buttons. But you can see here, there's no light or anything. There's just buttons and stuff like that, and the rest is just speakers. But in here, if you look at this, one half is actual light, actually probably more than one half, and the other half is a speaker. But on top of that, it's not just a speaker, it's the battery too. So it's probably somewhere around here and the speaker's just here. So I can see why it probably didn't have that much room for a speaker and probably doesn't sound that good. Now, I'm not really sure why. I still kind of, you know, it's kind of still upsetting that it doesn't have that good of a sound quality. It's not really that loud. That's the problem right now. But it's decently loud. So let me go ahead and just show you like everything about it real quick. So you just turn it on by pressing hold on to the play and pause button here, and obviously these are the turn up and down the volume. You press and hold on to that, go to the previous track, and press and hold on to that to go to the next track. So let me go and turn it on real quick. And you get that little sound right there. So typical Samsung sound when you turn on headphones and speakers, stuff like that. And then you get this sound when you connect to them. Wait, hold on. There we go. Yeah, that's what it sounds like. And the speaker just lights up like that. Now, it doesn't do that by default, like the little change of colors and all that. You actually have to go over here and hit light wave. But that's how you do it. But you got some different things here. So you got boost your energy right here. You have cheer up. You have take a rest. And you have stay calm. And if you want, you can go and tap on it. You can go and just like change it around. Oh, wait, I'm just changing the brightness right now. But you can tap on it and drag it around if you need to. Like, I still haven't really learned that. Like, I don't know if you tap it and then drag it around. I really don't know right now. I think you have to turn off that light wave and then try to do it. Oh, yep, there we go. So now you can see it's like changing and all that. And then you got some colors down here, and you can also turn off the light just to save some power, you know, just a regular speaker. And then like I said, you can just turn that back on, turn the brightness up, and it is actually pretty bright. So let me turn off the light real quick. So yeah, the lights are off. You can see it's relatively bright, so it doesn't look as bright as it does in the video, but it's still pretty bright. And you got some other things here, like I can go over to here, I could choose some other options here, like breathing light, music light, candle mode, and well, yeah, that's it. And you also got two things called my color here, so you can go ahead and just choose some colors that set as default, and you got sleep timer. So I haven't really messed with this yet, but it says light and music will be turned off after the delay you set, so you just go ahead and set your timer there, and yeah, that's it. So yeah, pretty cool stuff right there. Let me go ahead and turn the light back on. But what I'm gonna do real quick is I'm gonna go ahead and just set this light wave back on because I really like that for some reason. But I'm gonna go over to YouTube and I'm gonna go over and just click on Chucky Beats real quick. So we're gonna do a quick little sound test. So let's go ahead and just do this real quick. And yes, this does work just fine. So you can see here, wait, hold on for it. Maybe I gotta move it around. But you can see here, give it a minute. Yep, there you go. So now it's wireless charging. So that works just fine for any regular wireless charger. Like, you don't need Samsungs. I already knew that. But yeah, let's go ahead and do a little sound test real quick. So I guess we're going to Flamingo. Let's listen to this real quick. Actually, let's just skip forward a little bit. Let's try to listen to this. See, like, if you put on headphones, you can kind of see it's not that loud. So if you're going outside with this, it's not going to be that great. So I recommend you get something like this if you want to go outside. And this for like indoors and stuff like that because, well, it's not that great. Like, you could use this outside. Like, it's not a bad speaker. It's just not that good, you know. So I don't know if JBL sounds like way better than this or what. Maybe it does. Probably it does. I really don't know. I had to see about that. Because I know they got their little light up speakers and all that. But, well, this doesn't sound that good. So I hope they refresh this. I feel like they probably won't. But they probably will. They may surprise us. They surprise us sometimes with these things. So we'll see. But guys, that's pretty much it. So I'll have another video on this and all that. You know, see whatever I can do with it. Maybe a sound comparison. Like, I really don't know how that'll be because it's way louder than this. Probably like double the loudness. I really don't know. But yeah, guys, so that's pretty much it. Hopefully you enjoyed this. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one. Let's go and pause this real quick. Peace out.